mag-yellow ka muna. Ikaw muna ulit. Kanina ako di nag-keeper.
Ako lang sa keeper.
Oo nga, last 1 minute. Yawan, mag-keeper ka muna. Let's go. Coach, lang ako. Hindi pa nag-keeper si Dick.
Oo. Keeper ako. Hindi naman nag-keeper.
Nag-oras na ako.
I think they're calling you.
Coach.
I'm sorry.
Good.
Hi, Sophia.
Hi, Coach Mike.
How are you?
Good.
Play.
How are you? Where did you play yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. No. On Saturday, on the Milo Cup. Yeah?
My mom and dad had an anniversary.
Oh, that's
They
why.
couldn't have
Pagod, coach?
This one? Time.
Coach, hindi ko why?
30 coach.
Ha?
Keep with dad.
Lang ako. Hindi ka?
Shadi, let's go, Shadi! Ay, puta, sorry!
Coach, pagod ka na, coach? Pagod ka na, coach? Coach, pagod ka na?
Hey, Sophia. Hello. You want to play tag? Oh my God.
Shadi, wait! Turn!
Hello, babe. My name is Coach. Coach. Starts with the
Coach time.
Yeah.
Coach time. Why are you taking Is it yoga?
No. No. Don't move it. Don't move it.
Promise?
No, it's fine. Don't move it. It's Coach Kai. Don't move it.
Make it too hard.
Oh, I want to play. Pew, 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 pew. Let me have the other. Play football. Can we have the other? I am Play soccer. Kick one.
Marami na anak ko. Pili ka na lang. Center lang, center lang. Ayun na, wait. Coach Carlos, kaya ko center lang.
We are here. Yes!
Good try, Aldrin. Good try. Good try. Wala. Manon!
Ayun, sabi nyo. Ay, kumakala ng mamaya. Akala ko hindi awakan yun kasi
Goal!
may magdalo na may mga doon. Wala, ang dami bata. Maligta na. Ito nag-video eh. Coach Nico! Coach Nico! Coach! Video nyo kami. Ay, ito kasi. Sino kayo isa kasama ko? Ikaw na lang. Coach, hindi si Nico yun eh. Anong ano ba yun? Thursday sa akin. Sa Thursday, open play tsaka ano, 8 to 10. 8 to 10? Tapos sa Friday, Saturday, ano, 5 to 7, mga bata, tsaka adult ano. Hindi ko alam kung sino. Sino kasama ko? Ako pala ang alam ko.
Left side! Left side! Left side!
Kasama ko. Wala ka naman Cherry.
Leo!
Ay, masyado paloob, Lord!
Taste
Careful, be careful, you get kicked there. You get kicked there. The ball is so hard. Careful.
Stay here.
You might get hit, ha?
I need my ball. I need my ball.
Ano ba kayo?
I need my ball.
Balik ka na.
Binili
Oh, binili ko rin yung
I
futsal.
need my ball. Wait.
Kasi yung sinasabi ko
Let
sa'yo,
him.
pero binili ko yung
You're free.
Pero
Let
next time.
I need my ball.
Ayos na naman, Nico. You see the ball is hard. Don't try there. Ayos na, Nico.
Kick pa ako. Again. Yes. Pinakita ko lang yung mga sponsor. Tapos, inano mo.
Careful, don't go there. You get hit by the ball. Kayo, pag natamaan kayo.
Let me have it. I won!
Oh, go play there.
I won! My ball!
Careful, be careful.
My ball! This is no fighting, guys. No fighting. My ball back. Wait, no fighting.
May I have the ball? May I have the ball? May I have the ball? Okay.
It's all.
Sit down,
it's
sit down.
me.
Sit down, sit down.
It's mine.
Okay.
It's mine.
You can borrow the ball, but I want to play with
It's
your
not
teammates,
your
okay?
ball.
Okay, but remember, not this guy. because he's
don't no
super
pointing, no
mean.
pointing.
He's a meanie.
No, you're the one who's
Bad
mean.
meanie.
Okay. Okay. Don't take someone else's ball if they're playing with it.
But I
Okay.
want to play with
Oh,
it.
you
You
have to
can-
ask properly. You can say, "Can I play with you?" You can
No.
ask.
You
Okay.
just ask meanly. That's why we don't play.
Okay, you have to ask
Can I have the
nicely.
ball back?
Okay, you have to ask
The
like
ball
that.
back?
If you didn't want to, you can just get it. Ano? You just don't have to get it like that. Okay, you have to ask. Maybe he doesn't want to give you the ball. He wants to play with you. You have to ask properly. Okay?
Are you gonna play with me?
Oh, now he's asking you. Do you want to play with him? Do you want to play with him? Okay, now. I don't want to happen it again, huh? I want you to play properly on the side and avoid getting hit.
But
Yes?
he doesn't want to share.
Oh.
He
No.
doesn't want to share his ball with me.
Oh, right now he wants to share now. He wants to play with it. Isn't it? Isn't that sharing now? Oh, now he wants to play with you. Sana?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
you three play together, di ba,
Play together. You're
Gabriel?
teammates, di ba? Okay. Now you can
You're
play.
playing
Okay, go.
together naman eh.
Back.
Go.
Agab, leave that, leave that.
It got stuck. Use your hand, right? Yeah, you can use your hand. That
Pasok tayo, boys.
No keeper! No keeper! Back! Wide, Daddy, wide!
Wait, guys!
Pwede na yan, coach. Balik mo na lang sa akin. Yes, game, Daddy. Yes, game to.
Kailangan mo
Good time, Phil. Likod ba?
Ano yung ka?
Sa din interior ng textile.
Ano yung loob mo? The muscle is interior.
Like the organs talaga. Muscles.
Ilan chambers ng heart ng gamit? Four.
Tanga.
Ano name ng tanong blood to? From which part to which part? To what part? Yung blood to nung sa heart. Wala ba yun?
Ano yung blood flow?
Paano dumadaan yung pathway ng blood to? Half everyone. Then, to the Venezuela, to the left atrium, to the right atrium, to the left ventricle. Dalawa nila dalawa lang talaga yung goal. Dalawa lang yung goal. Dalawa lang talaga. Yes, there is.
Ano ba? Nakasalala ko. Pwede ako. Pwede ako.
Eagle! Ano gumalaw ulit? Sabi mo, ang dalawa na sila.
Hindi.
Sama tayo. Ay, pasok na. Pasok mo na.
Hindi, good football.
Pasok mo na, Miguel. Ay, ay, ay.
Ang bilis na mag-yan.
Sabi mo, Eagle ka.
Nalimutan niya, nag-goal
Pag ko ba?
Hindi pa, pasok mo na.
Wala pa ako nakakita na satisfying goal.
Aris! Namis yan.
Pero I actually love watching it here because it's like, yeah, first it's stressful, second, it's so easy on the eye. Kasi for some people,
Baluan, sakit sa mata mo. Blue lang, because it's dark. It's dark there, because it's big.
kaya tsaka ano, masyadong malaki.
Yeah.
Gusto ko parang maniwala sa
Let's see. Feel ko naman.
Nice! Come on! Good! Line, line, line.
Laro ka daw. 99. Full court.
Aljon, yellow ka na, Aljon.